Good morning class. How are you students? Hope everyone is fine. Let's start our subject. Today our subject is EVS and this is your new chapter number 15. The name is Great Men of Arya Samaj and this is your part 1. Arya Samaj, a great man of Arya Samaj is Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was the founder of Arya Samaj. Who was the founder? Swami Dayanand Saraswati. He was born in 1824. His born date was 1824 year. On Shivratri night, 14 years old Dayanand was 14 years, went with his father to worship in the Shiva temple in the village. When he was 14 years, he went to the Shiva temple at Shivratri night for the worship in the village. He had kept a fast. On that day he kept a fast also, fasting. Do you know the fasting? Yes. The Brat? Yes. Kirtan was going on in the temple at night, the whole night. Kirtan was going on the whole night. Kirtan was going on that Shivratri night as midnight. When was midnight? At 12 o'clock after night. As midnight advanced, all other devotees were overpowered by sleep. After midnight, all the devotees, those who were in the bhajans, they all were asleep. Only the boy Dayanand, he was the boy because he was at that time 14 years old. So on that his boy kept awake by splashing cold water on his face. By splashing cold water drops on his face, he awake. He was not asleep. He also felt very hungry. He had kept fast whole night, but at that time he felt hungry also. Just then a mouse climbed on Shiva Lingam and began to eat the sweets which the worshippers had offered. The worshippers had offered sweets, many sweets on the Lord Shiva. Then one mouse climbed there and started eating. Young Dayanand started having doubts on idol worship. If Shiva, the Lord of three worlds, could not protect himself from this small rat, this stone idol could not be the real Shiva or God. He has doubt on that time that he is the God, that stone God, because we had that black stone, the Shivling. Do you know Shivling? Yes. He was just thinking that God can't protect his food from this small rat. Then that means he is not God. He was having doubt in his mind. Then how can he protect? That means he is just a stone. He was just thinking in his mind. Then Dayanand got Gyan or true knowledge on Shivratri night. On that time he got true knowledge on that Shivratri night. Who got knowledge? Dayanand. Every year Shivratri is celebrated as Rishi Bodh Utsav. Every year Shivratri is celebrated as a Rishi Bodh Utsav. Swami Dayanand died on Diwali day. He died on Diwali. So Diwali is celebrated as Dayanand Nirvan Divas or death anniversary. His death anniversary on Diwali day. So it's celebrated as Dayanand Nirvan Divas. Now next is Arya Samaj. Mahatma Hans Raj. Mahatma Hans Raj is the father of DAV movement. Are you DAV school? He is the father of DAV movement. Mahatma Hans Raj. When was his born? 19th April 1864. His birth date, year also and date also, and his month, April. Mahatma Hans Raj started the first DAV institution, namely DAV High School, Lahore. In Lahore, the first he started the name DAV institution, namely his name was DAV High School, Lahore. He was the first headmaster. He was the headmaster in first of that DAV in Lahore. He worked all his life without taking any salary. Without any salary, he worked devotee on that high school. Once a student's father brought him 5 oranges. There was one student father. He brought 5 oranges. Once a student's father brought. Instead of eating them, he sold them and put the money in the college fund. Student's father gave him but he didn't eat. What did he do? Mahatma Hansraj, he sold it, and the money got, when the money got after selling the orange, he put in the fund of DAV. He didn't eat. So think how devotee he was. Now next one is Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Shraddhanand, this is the picture. Swami Shraddhanand is a bright star of Arya Samaj and of India, also, of Arya Samaj also. He was a bright star. He was the first person to give the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji. He was the first person to give the title of Mahatma to Gandhiji. He gave the title Mahatma. He was murdered on 23rd December. He had been murdered. He was having murdered on 23rd December 1926. His date was, he was dead on 23rd December. Year was 1926. Every year we celebrate 23rd December as Shraddhanand Balidan Divas. He gave Balidan, so we celebrate as Balidan Divas on 23rd December. Now come to the exercises. I hope you all understood. See, number A, match the following. Rishi Bodh Utsav is on Shivratri. Dayanand Nirvan Divas, Diwali. DAV Founders Day, 19th April. Shraddhanand Balidan Divas, 23rd December. Number B, take the correct answer. Founder of Arya Samaj, Swami Dayanand. Father of DAV movement, Mahatma Hansraj. You will take correctly and write the spellings also correctly after watching all the video till end. Listen carefully and watch it carefully. Okay. Shraddhanand Balidan Divas, 23rd December. Swami Dayanand got Nirvan on Diwali. A bright star of Arya Samaj, Swami Shraddhanand. Bright star of Arya Samaj, Swami Shraddhanand. Swami Dayanand was born in 1824. When was he born? 1824. Okay students, I hope you all understood. So write it down. I am coming the next part. Bye bye bachcho. Thank you.